country. Then you have the pre-order badge. So this is going to just show on the actual product image itself. So you can go and turn this on if you want to, and you can go and choose your pre-order badge. So it's going to show across like this. So it's totally up to you what style you want to use. I'm just going to go for this one. And then you can go and choose the colors so you can make sure that it matches the rest of your store. So I'm just going to go and choose this color, for example. And then you can see that we've got the text color. So let me just change that again. We'll paste it in here. So we can see it's like that with white text. You can go and choose where you want it to be displayed. I think I'm going to go for the top left hand corner like this. And then you can go and turn on terms and conditions as well of the product if you want to let people know about the terms and conditions of pre-ordering the product. So you can go and turn this on if you want to, and then you can go and write some terms and conditions. So for example, as a default, it says when you place an order through the site, we will maintain your order information for our records unless and until you ask us to delete this information, etc, etc. So it's up to you if you want to go and add this. As a matter of fact, I am just going to turn this off. And once you are happy with your settings, you can simply hit apply. Once you have applied the settings, you can click on this eye icon to go and preview them. So as you can see, we now have that pre-order badge on the product page, which looks really amazing. And then you can see that they have the time remaining until they can pre-order the product.